Nikhilam Subtraction, using Sutra, all from 9 and the last from 10. Nikhilan Napatash Jaraman Dashata. This is subtraction without borrowing. Consider 100 minus 47. What we need to do here is apply the Sutra, all from 9 and the last from 10, to the numbers 4 and 7, and we get 53. Now, if it's 105 minus 47, then what we can do is simply find the 53, the complement of 47, and then add 5, giving 58. Here's another example, 600 minus 374. We can find the first digit as 6 minus 3 and take off 1, as shown in the previous video, and then apply all from 9 and the last from 10, giving 2 and 6. But if it's 102 minus 374, we can just find the same digits but add 2 to the last one, making 228. Here's another example, 653 minus 374. Here we find the 2 again in the hundreds column, and then subtract 7 from 9, giving 2, and add 5, giving 7. At the last from 10, 4 from 10 is 6, and then add 3, giving 9. And the answer is 279. Have a go at these using this method. Okay, now I will show you the answers and you can check. Finding where to use complements. In this example, if we have a look at the digits, we can see that 5 is greater than 3, so we will need to use complement there. But 8 minus 1 we don't need. 7 minus 2 is 5, and then subtract 1, giving 4. And then we use complements for the tens column. 5 from 10 is 5, and add 3 is 8. And then in the ones column, it's just 8 minus 1, 7. Here, identify first where we will need complements. We will need them in the hundreds column and the tens column, because 7 is more than 3 and 5 is more than 4. Starting from the left, 9 minus 2 minus 1 is 6. 7 from 9 is 2, add 3 is 5. 5 from 10 is 5, add 4 is 9. And then finally 6 minus 2, 4. Next example. Here we identify the digits where we need complements. 6 is more than 2, so we'll need it here. And 5 is more than 3, so we'll need it here. So working from the left again, 8 minus 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 6 from 10 is 4, and add 2 is 6. In the next column, 5 minus 1, take away 1, leaves 3. And then 5 from 10 is 5, add 3 is 8. And in the ones column, it is just 9 minus 2, 7. In this example, we need to look to find where we will need complements, and we will need them because in this columns 5 is bigger than 3, 6 is bigger than 3, 9 is larger than 7, but the 4 and the 4, they are the same, but we will still need complements there because we won't be able to do the subtracting 1. We can place a 0 here. 6 minus 0 minus 1 is 5. Then 5 from 9 is 4, add 3 makes 7. 4 from 9 is 5, 5 add 4 is 9. Here, next column, we will finish using complements. 6 from 10 is 4, add 3 is 7. Then we start using complements again, so we're going to have to subtract 1. 4 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 9 from 10 is 1. Add 7 makes 8. Next example. Here we will need complements in these two columns. So 9 minus 3 is 6, take away 1 is 5. 2 from 9 is 7, 7 add 2 is 9. 7 from 10 is 3, 3 add 5 makes 8. And then in the ones column, 7 minus 4 is 3. Have a go at these, stop the video, and after which I'll show you the answers. So here are the answers, and you can check your work. As long as you can use all from 9 and the last from 10, then this method of subtraction is very quick and easy and involves no carrying whatsoever.